Your problem isn't lack of time. It's that you've trained your mind to be distracted. You sit down to work, but your focus lasts 5 minutes. A notification pulls you away, then another. Then suddenly, you're scrolling, watching other people live the life you want. Understand this. Every time you break your focus, you're training your brain to be weak. And a weak mind can't build a strong life. Here's how you take control back. First, remove distractions. Put your phone in another room, not silent, away. Second, use the 25-minute rule. No breaks, no checking, just deep work. Third, embrace boredom. Because the moment you stop needing stimulation is the moment your focus becomes powerful. Focus isn't something you find, it's something you build. Control your attention, and you control your future. Start today. No excuses.